Hello student, today we continue the biology class. We discuss in your earlier classes the fundamental unit of life, in which we discuss about the definition of the cells, and we discuss discovery of the cell. We describe about the cell shape and size. Today I will discuss to continue the shape and size of the cell. The shape and size of the cell. In the cell exhibits great variety of shape and sizes. Actually the shape of size of cell determined by the function they perform. That means the shape and size of cell depend upon the functions of the cells. Means actually the shape and size of the cell depend upon the function performed by cell. Unicellular organism normally measure measure 1.2 micrometer to 1 mm. 1 mm. While the cells of multicellular organism may measure 5 to 100 micrometer. Student, you know 1 micrometer is equal to how many meters? You know, you read in your physics classes, but I derived it here. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 micrometer equal to 1 upon 1000 millimeter. Millimeter. 1 upon 1000 millimeter, or 10 the power minus 6 meter. 10 the power minus 6 meter. You know, the egg of ostrich is considered the largest living cell. The egg of ostrich is considered the largest living cell. The largest considered the largest living cell. It has the diameter about about 15 to 20 centimeter. And unicellular marine green alga and unicellular marine green alga acetabularia may measure up to 10 centimeter in length. Some important cells measurement is given below. Mycoplasma अर्थात PPLO, that means pleuro pneumonia like organism. One 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. It is smallest cell. Mycoplasma is a smallest cell. Mycoplasma is smallest cell. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell and ostrich egg is largest cell. student, if you any question arise about what is the longest cell, the longest cell of the cell, longest cell is a marine green alga acetabularia. Longest acetabularia and largest ostrich egg, and smallest cell is mycoplasma. Smallest cell is mycoplasma. After discussing about shape and size of the cell, we discuss about the types of cell. We discuss about types of cell. Types of cell. According to nucleus or nuclear membrane, presence of nuclear membrane, the cell is two type. Cell is two type. Cell have main two type. One is prokaryotic and other is eukaryotic. On the basis of nuclear membrane, prokaryotic means pro plus karyotic. Pro means primitive and karyotic or carry-on. Karyotic means carry on. Primitive carry-on. Carry-on means nucleus. Nucleus. That means prokaryote means primitive nucleus. The cell which have primitive nucleus is called as prokaryotic cell. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma. After that, prokaryotic cells, we discuss eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic word is derived from two words. Eu means true. And karyotic means carry on, and carry on means nucleus. That means true nucleus. The cell which have true nucleus is called as eukaryotic cell. For example, human human, amoeba, paramecium, etc. That means the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell have main differences is that nuclear membrane presence and absence. After the types of cells, we discussed the difference between both cells, why they are different to each other. Because the cell, prokaryotic cell, have no nuclear membrane, but in eukaryotic cells nuclear membrane is present. If in the presence of nuclear membrane, the chromatin material is not scattered in all over the cell body, only they are located in the center or any places, but they are in the condensed form. They are packed in a nuclear membrane, inside the nuclear membrane. The main differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic is difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryote and eukaryote. प्रोकैरियोट पॉइंट फर्स्ट लेते हैं. इन प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स द absence of nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cells, the absence of nuclear membrane. In other hand, in eukaryotic cells, cells have true nucleus, or cells have nuclear membrane. Second, in prokaryotic cells, the nucleus is absent or in the form of scattered chromatin material. In prokaryotic cells, the nucleus is present but they are very primitive. In eukaryotic cells, cells have well defined nucleus is present. In prokaryotic cell, the absence of membrane bound organelle. In prokaryotic cells have not membrane bound organelle. In other hand, in eukaryotic cells have membrane bound organelles. For example, BGA अर्थात that means blue green algae and bacteria. Man etc.